You're currently living in the US on an F-1 OPT EAD visa but looking for a more permanent stay? Maybe you're just beginning to think about immigrating to the US and you don't qualify for a green card at the moment, but you're looking to immigrate temporarily to later adjust your status? If this sounds like you, don't go anywhere because I'm going over the 5 steps within the F-1 OPT EAD visa to green card process in this video. This process can take anywhere from 6 to 18 months from start to finish. So it's important to give yourself enough time before F-1 OPT EAD visa expires. In fact, most will start this process even years before their work visa expires. They say it's best to start this process when your employer is ready to sponsor you for a more permanent role. The first step is to find a qualified US employer to sponsor you, or make sure that your current employer is qualified. If your current employer does not meet these criteria, you may need to change your job before you can start the green card process. Next, your employer will need to obtain a PERM labor certification. PERM stands for Program Electronic Review Management, which is essentially a test that needs to be submitted to the U.S. Department of Labor, ensuring that there aren't any jobless U.S. residents that are willing, qualified, or available to do the job. They will also check that no one's wages are being affected by you taking the job. Once the PERM certification is secured, your employer will then need to submit a Form I-140, and which is an immigrant petition for alien worker. Within this form, your employer must prove that they are in good financial shape, demonstrating their ability to pay the salary for the job position. This form must be submitted with the approved PERM labor certification and a filing fee. You will receive a priority date after this, which is essentially the date you can finish off the application process. The priority date indicates when a green card would be available to you, like a number in line. You should know that receiving a priority date does not mean that you've been accepted for a green card, but no worries, we are almost there. Once you reach your priority date, you will need to submit a Form I-140 and I-485, which is the petition to adjust your status. If your Form I-485 is approved, then you are officially a green card holder. Please feel free to reach out to Artifint Robotics Technologies at 945-468-8100 for more information on starting an employment-based green card process for F-1 OPT EAD visa holders.